Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can personalize the Perplexity app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the app. So I'm going to click on this Perplexity here. And after opening the app, as you can see, now simply we have to click on this profile icon. And after clicking on the profile icon, we have to scroll down and you will be able to see the personalize option here. So now we have to click on this, and after clicking on the personalize, as you can see, the sports option is provided here. We have to click on the add more, and now we need to choose which one you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one here. So whatever you want, for example, I'm going to add this one here as well. Now let's go to the bake, and now as you can see, those both are added here. I'm going to bake again. In the finance, we have to click on the add more again here, and now you can choose other options as well. If you want to search any kind of specific detail, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to add these some options here, and now simply we have to click on this bake again. As you can see, these are added, and it's done. So in this way you can add the personalized details and categories in your Perplexity app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can personalize it. So see you in the next video.